that? Something big.
Pancakes! Quit wriggling. Dirt's softer if you stay still.
Softer? It's on fire!
Hat's gone. I'll get it later. Holy, that's half the field.
Ain't no combine did that.
I'm good. I'm good.
Keep your feet under you.
Whoa, you see that? It's glowing.
Keep your fingers off it.
Right, yeah, just never seen anything like that.
Whatever hit, it ain't done yet.
Whoa! Did you see? That thing bit me! Okay, easy, we're cool, right?
Careful. It's still hot.
Mm-hmm. Crystal lattice, still humming. Not our rock.
Oh my God, it's the whole thing. Split wide open.
Big as a grain silo and then some. Best look at what we're dealing with.
Harder than a wood stove? Yeah, nope.
Mind your hand, I'm going in first.
You sure that edge ain't gonna eat your boot?
As long as I don't touch it, we're fine.
Wow. Easy. I won't hurt you.
I don't think you could if you tried.
We'll see.
Squid chirpy!
Hold still. It's just a gash. Let me wrap it.
Quee?
Hold still. That shoulder's torn up.
We'll patch it. Just keep breathing.
They're coming. I can feel them.
Hold tight. We're almost to the tree line.
This thing's still buzzing, Davion. It's not stopping.
Then don't drop it.
Yeah, wouldn't dream of it.
I got it. Ah, no, leave him. Can't drive without him.
They're closer. I can hear them.
Got it? Okay, move. Door, now. Come on, start.
Yes.
Okay. That isn't how that went.
They're coming. Wait up. This thing keeps getting heavier.
Keep moving, Mortivane. Don't look back.
Easy, watch ahead. All right, almost there. Let me just give her a shove.
Mortivane.
Right.
I'm out. Device.
I got it. Hang
Siren is closer.
on. Key, where's the... I found it.
Hey! Who's telling this story anyway? Is it you? You look like the type.
I'm only here to listen.
Yeah? Well, it's a mess back here!
Come on. Yes! All together, baby!
Hold on, road's worse than I remember. Near's clear? I don't even know what clear looks like anymore.
Eyes forward, Morty. I'll tell you if someone shows.
It's shaking too much.
Just keep the wheel straight. We'll deal with it.
Come on, where are you?
Mortivane, keep your eyes on the road.
I got it.
No, cover your eyes.
Oh, that's not good.
It's activating. Hold still.
Oh, no. What did I do?
You did it, all right.
That was not supposed to happen.
Never is.
Dispatch, this is car 12. We got the town water tower. Repeat, the whole tower. Down across County Road 6. Steaming. Looks like it was torn apart. I'm staring at melted steel. Suspects fled eastbound, high rate, leaving heavy tracks. I need every available...
You sure this place is clear?
If it ain't, we'll know quick.
That doesn't exactly calm me down, man.
Easy now. One more step.
Brian, just keep moving.
Slide in.
Oh, great. Casual. We're totally blending in. Nobody's looking. Well, except that guy.
Quiet, Mortivane. We need a minute.
Let her breathe.
Breaking news tonight. Crews still battling the fire after the sudden collapse of the West Briar Water Tower. Thick black smoke is visible for miles.
Now.
That's
on, get in!
Easy, girl. Watch your head.
I'm fine.
Just go.
Oh, shoot, device, got it. Buckle up, hold on.
Drive.